Not every dream comes easy. Some dreams demand tears, effort, and endless patience. This is the story of a girl who had nothing. No stage, no sponsors, no support. Only a dream that refused to die. If you've ever felt like giving up, if you've ever been told you can't, then listen closely. Because this story isn't just hers. It's for anyone who keeps fighting, even when the world says stop. This is the journey of Anya, the girl who proved no pain, no gain. Anya's steps of fire. There was a small town, quiet, simple, and far away from the noise of big cities. In that town lived a young girl named Anya, a girl with a dream so bright it didn't let her sleep. Every night, when the world closed its eyes, Anya opened her heart. She would dance alone on the cracked floor of her little room. No fancy lights, no meters, just belief. Her family was loving, but poor. Her father repaired bicycles. Her mother stitched clothes. Life was enough to survive, but not enough to chase dreams. One day, Anya gathered courage. She walked up to her parents, voice soft, but heart strong. "Ma, Baba, I want to be a dancer." Silence filled the room. Her father lowered his eyes. Her mother held her hands and said softly, "We are not stopping you, but we don't have the money to support it." Anya nodded, smiled. But that night, her pillow carried her tears. Yet the next morning, she woke up with fire. If life would not give her a path, she would make her own. She began practicing at the old community hall. The floor was uneven. The mirrors were cracked. The fan sounded like a broken dream. But for Anya, it became home. Hours of practice, days of effort, weeks turning into months. Her feet blistered. Her muscles screamed. Sometimes she fell. Hard. But she stood up. Every single time. People talked. They laughed. She'll give up soon. She's not good enough. But the world always laughs before it claps. One morning, a poster caught her eye. National Youth Dance Championship. Auditions soon. Her heart beat faster. This was her chance. Her doorway to the world. But the entry fee was more than her family earned in a week. She did not cry. She worked. She helped her father repair bicycles. She delivered stitched clothes for her mother. She cleaned the community hall. She woke before sunrise, slept long after midnight. Pain became her companion, but quitting never crossed her mind. Finally, she gathered enough money. The audition day came. Anya walked into the grand auditorium. Other dancers wore shining costumes, perfect makeup, expensive shoes. Anya wore a simple white dress her mother stitched, old shoes her father repaired. She had no glitter, but she had heart. When her name was called, she stepped onto the stage. For a second, fear whispered, "You don't belong here." She closed her eyes. She remembered the pain, the struggle, the nights of silent crying, the mornings of fierce determination. The music began, and she danced, not for the judges, not for the audience, but for the girl who never gave up. Her movements were not perfect. They were real. They were alive. And when she finished, the hall fell silent. Then, applause. Loud, strong, pure. Tears filled her eyes. Not because she knew she had won, but because she knew she had become strong enough to fight. When the results were announced, Anya, winner. Her parents cried, not from worry this time, but pride. Her town celebrated her. Her journey had just begun. But the real victory was not the trophy. The real victory was every painful step she refused to stop taking. Because great achievements don't come easy. They come to those who endure, who struggle, who fall and rise again. So what we learn from this story are: 1. Hard work is necessary to achieve any big dream. 2. Pain and struggle are part of the journey. 3. Believe in yourself even when others doubt you. 4. Keep going, don't quit. 5. No pain, no gain. Success comes to those who endure.
Alrighty, my magical beans, it's time to go, but before I vanish in a sparkly poof, hit that like button like you're high-fiving the moon, subscribe so we dance again soon.